Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best yoga straps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Slim Panda Yoga Strap. This strap is designed with comfort and versatility in mind, making it a great choice for beginners and advanced yoga practitioners alike. Crafted from 100% cotton, it offers a soft, flexible grip that's gentle on your hands and body. Unlike stiffer straps, this one has been tailored to provide ease of use during stretches, balance training, and physical therapy. The strap features a double D-ring buckle for secure adjustments, ensuring it stays in place during even the most challenging poses. Design-wise, the Slim Panda strap stands out with its extra loop on one end, making it easy to maintain proper alignment during your practice. The width of 1.5 inches provides a comfortable hold. It may not be ideal for taller users or those who prefer longer straps. The durability is excellent, thanks to its welded D-ring buckles and 2.5mm thickness, but it does lack the advanced eco-friendly materials seen in premium options like Manduca. While the Slim Panda Yoga Strap is affordable and practical, it is slightly narrow compared to other options, making it less comfortable for extended use. Overall, this strap is ideal for beginners and those on a tight budget who want a reliable, entry-level yoga accessory that gets the job done. If you're looking for a simple, solid strap that fits most standard yoga needs, this one is a great pick. At number 4, we have the Oak Sports Stretching Strap. This product is perfect for those looking for a reliable, multi-purpose strap for yoga, Pilates, and physical therapy. Made from premium non-elastic nylon, the Oak Sports strap ensures optimal resistance and durability, making it ideal for regular use. Measuring 75 inches long and 1 inch wide, it's designed to be beginner-friendly while still offering enough versatility for advanced stretches. The 10 loops integrated into the strap allow users to easily customize their stretching routines to target specific muscles or joints. In terms of design, the strap features a comfy texture that feels soft against the skin. Its lightweight build ensures ease of portability, so you can take it to the gym or yoga studio without hassle. One standout feature is its durability. This strap is designed to withstand repeated use without fraying or losing its shape. However, the nylon material, while sturdy, may not be as soft or eco-friendly as cotton-based alternatives like Manduca's premium strap. The Oak Sports Stretching Strap is a great value for its price, especially for those who need a versatile tool for physical therapy or post-workout recovery. That said, it lacks the adjustable buckles found in other models, which can limit its usability for certain poses. Overall, this strap is ideal for anyone seeking a lightweight and durable option for targeted stretching, especially at an affordable price point. At number 3, we have the budget-friendly Tradier Stretching Strap. This strap is the most affordable option on our list, but don't let the low price fool you. It packs a lot of value. Made from sturdy polypropylene and reinforced with strong stitching, the Tradier strap offers impressive durability for long-term use. With its non-elastic design and 10 loops, it's perfect for beginners who want to improve flexibility and safely deepen their stretches. Measuring 75 inches long and 1 inch wide, the strap is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry to yoga classes, the gym, or even while traveling. The design is minimalistic but functional, and the non-stretch material provides excellent stability for poses and physical therapy exercises. It's highly recommended by physical therapists for injury prevention and muscle recovery, making it a great choice for post-workout stretching or addressing joint pain. However, the polypropylene material might feel slightly rougher on the skin compared to cotton-based straps, which could be a downside for those seeking a softer touch during practice. The Tradier Stretching Strap is ideal for anyone on a tight budget who needs a reliable tool for yoga, Pilates, or physical therapy. It's especially great for beginners who want to ease into advanced poses without breaking the bank. However, if you're looking for premium features like adjustable buckles or eco-friendly materials, you may want to consider other options higher up on this list. At number 2, we have the Tumaz yoga strap, a truly versatile option that stands out for its durability and vibrant design. Available in 15+ colors and multiple length options, 6, 8, or 10 feet, this strap allows users to customize their yoga practice to their exact needs. It features a 4mm welded D-ring buckle for secure adjustments, ensuring safety during challenging poses. The strap is crafted with eco-friendly polyester cotton and incorporates a special tight-knit technique, making it comfortable to grip while providing exceptional durability. With a maximum load of over 2,379 pounds, 1.079 tons, the Tumaz yoga strap is one of the strongest options on the market, though it's designed exclusively for yoga and stretching, not for heavy-duty applications like lifting. The delicate texture and vibrant colors add a touch of personality to your practice, while the lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Customer service is another highlight, as Tumas offers a 60-day warranty with hassle-free replacements or refunds. The Tumaz yoga strap is ideal for those seeking a balance between affordability and premium features. Its adjustable buckle and sturdy construction make it versatile for yoga enthusiasts of all levels. However, some users might find the texture slightly less soft than cotton straps, and the price is slightly higher than budget options like Tradier. Overall, Tumaz delivers an excellent value for its price, making it a great all-around choice for stretching, physical therapy, and fitness. Finally, at number 1, we have the Manduka Align yoga strap, the premium choice for yoga enthusiasts who demand the best. Inspired by the traditional strap design of BKS Iyengar, this strap combines innovation and sustainability to enhance your practice. Made from 100% unbleached, eco-friendly cotton, the Manduca strap feels soft and natural against your skin, while its zinc alloy buckle provides a secure grip that won't slip during challenging poses. The buckle's middle bar design adds extra stability, ensuring that your strap stays exactly where you want it. This strap measures 8 feet long and 1.75 inches wide, making it ideal for taller users or anyone who needs a bit more length for advanced stretches. The eco-friendly materials and dyes used in its construction showcase Manduca's commitment to sustainability, making this a great choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Performance-wise, the strap excels in offering slip-free support for even the most demanding yoga poses, Pilates routines, or fitness exercises. The Manduka Align yoga strap is undeniably the most expensive option on our list, but its premium build quality, innovative buckle design, and eco-conscious materials justify the price tag. It's perfect for experienced yogis who want a reliable tool to deepen their practice while supporting sustainable production practices. However, if you're on a tight budget, this strap might not be the best fit. For those who prioritize quality, comfort, and sustainability, Manduca remains the gold standard in yoga accessories. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.